Hey, what up guys, welcome to another video. And today's video we're gonna be replacing sway bar links on this beauty. This is my '03 Mustang. As I was driving down the road, I noticed a little bit of rattling noise from the front, and I think I took a peek down underneath and I saw one of the end links missing, so I got a replacement for it, and it's a energy suspension. Hopefully this should be good and will quiet the ride and fix the problem. Alright, so just right now, let's lift the car, take the wheels off, and let's get rolling on it.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright, the wheels are off, the car is lifted. Let's check them out. This side looks good. There's two bushings up here, one down here, and the bottom has one. Now let's walk over to the other side. Yep, you see it? This one is missing, and that's what's causing a lot of rattling noise when you drive down the street. The bottom one is still there. Alright, that should be an easy replacement. Alright, so in my car I got IBAC Pro springs, IBAC Pro dampening shocks, and IBAC sway bar. And these shocks are overkill and the sway bar is overkill. So if you want to go with the shocks, don't go with IBAC, because these things are really rough and you're gonna have a rough ride. And on my brakes I got Hawk rotors and Hawk pads, and these things are like freaking awesome. They stop right on a dime, and bam, the wheels. Freaking love these things. The rears are like 10.5, the fronts are like 9.5, but I got a little bit narrow tire, so I'm just gonna have, next time when I buy a tire, I'm just gonna go with a little bit wider. Now it's 245, probably gonna go with like 265 or 255, I'm not sure. Alright, so let's get the old bushings off and put a new ones on. Alright, so to take these things off is really simple. All you need is one of these tools on a sway bar link, and then just a 15 mil on the top, and then just you go lefty righty. Or actually I don't even need that one right now because the bushings are tight, but you get the point. And just like that, come out. Oh. Perfect. Alright, the sway bar links are off, and with the magic of editing, in 3, 2, 1, and they're clean. Well, I thought it was gonna be a little bit better than this, but it's alright. You'll do. Alright, so let's examine. Totally missing one of the bushings, and I think I let it go for a little bit too long, because you can see it metal to metal touching, and it's really kind of like eating in. So I might have to order this, not right now but later. Should be good right now. So let's just put the new bushings in and put a little bit of grease on them and then install it back in the car. And this is how it's gonna sit right here with the sway bar. Just gonna add a little bit of lithium grease, like that, more like this. All right, just gotta go the other side, do the same thing.
I've been wanted something from you. You been giving nothing.
Gotta put a little bit of lithium grease. Alright, the bottom too. What goes up here? Cool. Now I just gotta tighten it up, even it out, and we should be done.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright, I dropped the car on the ramps just to make sure everything is sitting nice. It's pretty good right there. It looks pretty good there. I think I just might need to get like a little bit of a shorter sway bar length, probably like by an inch or 3/4 less, because it looks like it's a little bit on an angle for the sway bar. But so far, looks good. Love the way it came out. Oh yeah, such a great improvement. Try that again. That was pretty simple and easy, and actually made quite a difference. Like always, I appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because on the next video we're going to be installing this sound deadening mat inside the doors and possibly in the trunk. I just want to quiet her down. She's not like one of these new cars. It is 03 Mustang, so she is a little bit loud inside, so there's a few improvements we can do. And I also got this sound meter, so we can measure before and after and see if it makes any differences or not. So till next time, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.